I know you've rung the bell a few times. I know what you want. I can't let you go out there and hurt that squirrel. He's looking for peanuts. I'm sorry. Go back. Stay back. I'm going to chase him away. Stay back. He wants me to come out there and give him some more peanuts. Now he's over there by the tree trunk, because this is our routine. He says, here I am, just bring me the peanuts. Oops, now he's up the tree. That's a better place. I already gave him peanuts today. Where the heck is he? So, yeah. Now that he's up the tree, Yargi? She's so fast I can't even get her on the camera. Uh-oh, now my boy is ringing the bell. I know that because my older girl... Alright, Bill. Now he is not a squirrel hunter, but he just does what the girls do. Okay. Are you done? The boy is done. Come on in. Let's go. Thank you. Yargi? Yargi, come. Hello? Are you coming? Are you done? Her ear is so funny. Are you done? You're not done yet? No, she's not done yet. That squirrel is still up there. No, it's moving. I don't think it's going to come down for you anyway. Oh my God, it just hopped from one tree to the other. It's gone. It hopped from the tree in our yard to the tree in the next lot. Bravo. Okay. All right. Yargi. Good girl. Come on. Thank you for saving us from the squirrel. Another job well done.